everyone, and welcome back to another Cooking with McCabe on this Wellness Wednesday. Today, we're not going to be doing breakfast with pancakes like last week. Today, we're going to be doing a dinner option called Michelle's Zucchini Pesto Pasta. So, some families, my wife, Michelle, doesn't like pasta or doesn't eat gluten, so this is a great alternative to having typical or regular pasta. You make the pasta out of zucchini and then make a pesto and avocado sauce that goes with it, and it tastes so good. My kids love it, and you're getting a lot of vegetables. So, all right, so first, you want to get your zucchini, wash it off, and then you're going to cut the ends off, or a grown-up is if it's a sharp object. Cut the ends off, and then we are going to use potato peeler or vegetable peeler. We have this kind of fancy one. It has like all these little grooves in it. So that's what I'm gonna use today, because it works really well for the pasta. But you could also use a regular just peeler for any fruits or vegetables. So let's see how it. All right, next we are gonna get our peeler. And simply, this is where you definitely need a grown-up to do. You're gonna get the peeler and go down every part of the zucchini. You're making little strands. Let me show you. This is what resembles the pasta. So you're gonna do that. This is where it can take a little bit. Again, the kids can help with washing the vegetables. They can help with mixing stuff in a little bit. But believe it or not, this is gonna taste just like pasta. And I'm just putting it in our pan here on the stove top. See? Like little pasta noodles. So you're gonna keep doing this. In all honesty, it might take a little bit of time, but you might even be able to prep this a little bit earlier to save some time. So you're gonna keep doing that until you fill up your pan here with as much zucchini as you want. I have 4 pieces of zucchini to start out. Let's see how much this fills up, and then we'll start making the sauce. Okay, using my potato peeler, I usually get them down to like, you see the seeds, and then I stop so there's not seeds in here. But this is the final product of what it looks like before you cook it. Now we'll start with the sauce. Okay, now for the sauce to go with our zucchini, we are going to use, I bought some pre-made pesto sauce here, just pesto. I think I'm gonna put some avocado in there, some Parmesan cheese, and some olive oil. So you can see this is about how much I used. And we're going to mix that all together and put that on top of our pasta zucchini to cook. So there you have it. This is Michelle's pesto zucchini. Looks pretty good, don't you think? Just like pasta. If you have any picky eaters at home, you also can use the pesto just to make a simple pesto pasta dish. We're pairing it tonight with some steak
So I hope you enjoyed, well, hot out there today. It's a little hot in the kitchen. So we hope you enjoy the dinner that you made, if you follow these directions. And I will see you next Wednesday for another Wellness Wednesday with Mr. McCabe, Cooking with McCabe. Liam, Ella, ready to try the food? Yeah, here we go.